In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Mailchimp contacts. Whether you're looking to shift your email marketing efforts, back up your contacts, or simply organize your data outside of Mailchimp, exporting your contacts is a crucial step. Let's dive into the process and make this task as smooth as possible. To begin, head over to the Mailchimp website. You'll need to log into your account, so start by going to the Mailchimp login page. Once you're there, it's straightforward. Just enter your username or email into the designated field. Make sure you input the email associated with your Mailchimp account to avoid any login hiccups. Next, it's time to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you're typing it correctly. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. There's always a forgot password option to help you reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button. You're now in your Mailchimp dashboard, the nerve center of your email marketing operations. From here, your next destination is the audience section. Look for the audience option on your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you've found it, clicking on it will bring you to the segment of Mailchimp where all your audience data lives. This is where you organize and manage your contacts, the heart of your email marketing campaigns. Now, to see all your contacts in one place, click on All Contacts. This gives you a bird's eye view of everyone who is subscribed to your lists, enabling you to manage your audience effectively. But let's get to the main event, exporting your contacts. Before you export, you need to select the contacts you wish to export. Maybe you're looking to export your entire list, or perhaps just a specific segment. Either way, Mailchimp gives you the flexibility to choose. Once you've made your selection, look for the Export Audience option. This is your golden ticket to downloading all the contact information you need. Clicking Export Audience initiates the process, but you're not quite done yet. You'll see a Confirm Export option next. This is Mailchimp's way of asking, are you sure? It's a good final check to ensure you're exporting exactly what you need. Click Confirm Export to approve your selection and begin the export process. Your contact list will be compiled into a downloadable file. Depending on the size of your list, this might take a moment. Mailchimp typically exports this data in a CSV format, making it easy to open with spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This format is incredibly versatile, allowing you to sort, filter, and manage your contacts outside of Mailchimp. Once the export is ready, you'll receive a notification from Mailchimp. Usually you can download the file directly from your audience dashboard, or Mailchimp might email you a link to download the file. Either way, make sure to save it in a secure location on your computer, and there you have it, your Mailchimp contacts, neatly exported and ready for whatever plans you have for them. Whether you're backing up your data, migrating to another platform, or simply analyzing your audience in more depth, these steps ensure you have the information you need at your fingertips. As a bonus tip, always remember to check your exported data for accuracy. Open the CSV file and skim through the contacts to ensure everything looks correct. Moreover, if you plan to import these contacts to another platform, familiarize yourself with that platform's import guidelines to ensure a smooth transition. I hope this guide has been helpful. Exporting your contacts from Mailchimp is a straightforward process, but it's an essential skill for any email marketer. By following these steps, you can make sure you always have a handle on your most valuable asset, your audience. Remember, managing your email list is a critical component of successful email marketing. Regularly exporting and backing up your contacts ensures that no matter what changes or challenges come your way, your audience data is safe and sound. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your email marketing efforts. Stay tuned for our next video.